Bro, can you explain to me how? That much lotion right there, that much. This much. Bro, how? Bro! How? How does that even work, bro? How? How does that even work?
That's great.
Yeah, that's.
Hi, Johnny.
Hi.
Who's the good-looking fella sitting behind you?
Johnny, get out of his area.
Somebody tell me who that is. No, isn't that Shaquille?
That's not Shaq, no.
Kanye and I are the biggest fans of Family Feud. What'd you say earlier? You waited your whole life?
I really don't get it. I don't understand why everybody's asking, oh, what happened to you? I got into a fight. You should see the other guy.
You fascinated?
No, Mom! No, Mommy!
It's a little cold out here.
Do you want my jacket?
No, it's okay.
No, it's okay. I got it.
Here, have this.
Do and repeat to the last chain.
What is this?
Zayda, you excited? You excited to go to the park? Graham, you excited to go to the park? You gonna be good? You gonna be attacking?
Hershey. Come here, Hershey. She's taking everyone out with the stick. I can't.
Are you recording? Yeah. Oh. And then some pepper. And it's supposed to heat up. Try it.
You're so pretty, Mom.
Thank you.
April Fools.
I like the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Me.
I mean
You're
it.
so sweet.
Yay!
Take them out before all the wax gets in there.
I